Hi children, welcome to the EVS online class. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and happy and studying well at home. Are you studying? Yes, I know you all are good students. Have you all gone through previous day's topic? What did we study in the previous class? Yes, we discussed about aquatic plants. What is the name of our lesson? Adaptations in plants. And we discussed about terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. We studied the examples and also the adaptations in such plants to survive in their habitat. What are aquatic plants? Plants that grow in water are called as aquatic plants. Which are the different types of aquatic plants? Yes, fixed plants, floating plants and underwater plants. We studied the examples and also the adaptations. Today, let's discuss about insectivorous plants. Have you heard that word? Insectivorous plant. What are insectivorous plants? Plants that eat insects are called as insectivorous plants. Plants eating insects. Do plants eat insects? Why do they eat insects? You know, plants need minerals for their growth. But some plants grow in areas where the soil is not rich in minerals. So to get minerals, plants trap insects and eat them. Such plants are called as insectivorous plants. Examples are Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. So what are insectivorous plants? Plants that eat insects are called as insectivorous plants. Example, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. The Venus flytrap has leaves with two halves. So when an insect sits on the leaf, the two halves get closed and the insect is trapped inside. The trapped insect is then digested. Then in pitcher plant, the leaves are modified into a pitcher-like or jug-like structure. At the top of the jug, there is a lid. So the leaves of pitcher plant looks like a container with a lid. When the insect sits on the top of the pitcher, the lid gets closed and the insect falls into the container. And inside the pitcher or jug-like structure, there is a liquid. This liquid digests the insect. The next is a small topic, fungi. What is fungi? Fungi are simple organism. It's a living thing. It is neither a plant nor an animal. Earlier it was considered as a plant, but now it is considered as a simple living thing. It is not a plant, not an animal. Examples of fungi are mold, mushroom, etc. What is mold? Have you seen mold? The thing that grows on stale bread is called as mold. Stale bread means the bread that is not fresh. If you are keeping the bread out in open air, after 5 or 6 days, you can see yellow, white or black patches on it. It is mold. Mold is a living thing with no chlorophyll. So it cannot prepare its own food. It gets food from the things on which it grows. Mushroom is also an example of fungi. Have you seen mushrooms?
These are mushrooms.
Fungi gets food from the plant or animal matter.
So we have completed this lesson. Now let's do the text exercises. Open your textbook, page number 75. First section is choose the correct options. First question, which of these is a feature of conifers? You have 4 options there. They do not produce flowers. They have broad leaves. They shed their leaves in winter. And the fourth one is they eat insects. What is the answer? Yes, they do not produce flowers. We studied that in conifers, instead of flowers, they have cones. Seeds are present inside the corns and they are called as conifers. So first answer is they do not produce flowers. Second question, which of these is not an evergreen tree? What are evergreen trees? The trees that do not shed their leaves all at once and remain green throughout the year are called as evergreen trees. We studied 4 examples. Pine, fir, spruce and cedar are evergreen trees. So here the answer is maple. Maple is a deciduous tree. Third one, which of these plants floats freely on water? What is the answer? Yes, water hyacinth. Fourth question, which of these plants trap insects? Answer is picture plant. We studied 2 examples. Picture plant and Venus flytrap. So here the answer is picture plant. Then fifth question, what are mushrooms the examples of? Mushrooms are the examples of fungi. Then section B, give one word for the following. First one, living on land. Living on land, they are called as terrestrial. Second question, not losing all their leaves in winter. They are evergreen. Third question, losing all their leaves in a season. They are deciduous. We studied deciduous trees. Trees that lose all their leaves once in a year. Then fourth one, living in water. Answer is aquatic. Fifth one, eating insects. They are insectivorous.
So today we have discussed about insectivorous plants and fungi. Hope you all have understood the topic. Read textbook page number 74. From notebook, study question number 7 from fill in the blanks. Question number 7 and 8 from name the following. Question number 3, 4, 5 from answer the following. We have completed this lesson. Read the textbook thoroughly and study the notes. A YouTube URL is attached along with this. Watch the video. A test paper is also attached. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.